Imagine if you could get now the woman with physical, mental, and emotional attributes that you desire in a woman. Now that's nothing to imagine because it can happen anytime that you want it to. Now you have limitless possibilities of the women that you can approach and game online. So mastering the online game and having a strategy will increase your success exponentially in the online dating scene. Hey gentlemen, I'm Ian Myles, the author of the Online Dating Strategies Ultimate Online Dating Guide for Men book. Now it is one of the best-selling books that have been used as a tool by thousands of guys to improve their online dating game. Now I've held various interviews and webinars based on the book, and I'm a believer that sweet success in one aspect of your life can inspire you to get the strength to overcome other challenges that you might be experiencing. So I'm here to help you get the skills that you need to experience sweet success in your dating life. The social interactions that we've experienced in the last 3 years have seen the number of people going on online dating raise exponentially every day. The empty streets, still malls, and silent clubs limited the social interaction that was a principal aspect of gaming women. Until then, most people still preferred a cold approach to meeting potential partners. But right now, most people that are in the dating scene have more than one dating app. The silent rules of engagement of online dating are still vague because it breaks a lot of boundaries and it introduces new ones. Most guys are following instincts when it comes to mastering online dating games. But you see, the problem is that instincts are not giving them the success that they want. Now, like any game, online dating comes with its set of limitations. Guys that understand the limitations and the rules of engagement know how to manipulate and control the game to get what they want. Now, my goal when writing the ebook, the Online Dating Strategies, the Ultimate Online Dating Guide for Men, was to bridge the gap that the transition from a cold approach to online dating has created. Now, I put a lot of hours into studying online behavior and behavior patterns and how they influence romantic relationships when coming up with the content for this book. One of my favorite stages of the study was how guys escalate in different stages of building a romantic relationship. Now, most guys fumble the ball during the escalation from one point to another. There were simple mistakes that anyone can simply overlook if they weren't aware of what to look for. But the book, The Online Dating Strategies, the Ultimate Online Dating Guide for Men, gives you well-researched techniques to help you build vital skills that will make you alpha in the online dating space. Now, the book covers crucial areas of your online presence. Celebrities pay a lot of money to people to take care of their online presence because it is so critical to their image and how people perceive them. Now, the same happens when you dive into the online dating world. Your online presence creates an identity that you will be judged from. But there's a pattern to how women navigate the profiles and online presence of guys that approach them or they want to approach. The common pattern amongst women gave me an idea of what women want when they meet a guy online. Now, the book explores what makes an alpha and a beta in the online dating space, and it will give you in-depth information on areas that you need to work on when creating your online presence. These aspects that make you attractive, trustworthy, adventurous, and confident, and you will know the subtle cues that can present you as a high-value guy. Now, in addition to that, there's a segment in the book that most guys have referred to as the hidden gem. It's the section that I talk about transitioning from online engagement to the first physical date. Now, most guys complain that women ghost them or get cold feet when the time comes to meet them. One of the reasons that most online relationships are susceptible to this is because the relationship misses the physical connection aspect. Now, another common thing that triggers the same result is making the transition an event. And when you make your first date a big deal, it will create much more anxiety, which can trigger a woman to just back down. In the section of the book, I give a vivid way of how to present yourself in the situation. The intention is to give you the power and knowledge of how you can avoid last-minute withdrawal by suppressing any triggers of insecurity and doubt. Now, one thing that most alpha males do when they're gaming a woman online is that they'll make the woman want to meet them, right? So when a woman feels that she's the one that wants to meet, she'll overcome her fears and she'll just show up. So understanding the type of woman that you are dealing with makes it easy for you to know the approach and the techniques that you will use to game her. Now, gentlemen, I have created a cheat sheet that will make you understand the woman that you're dealing with. The ability to cold read and ask the right questions is a key aspect of the online dating game. You have limited time to make an impression that will make her halt her search for you. So if you're sleek, you'll make an impression that will put her on the chase to tame you. You'll find an informative section in the book that will shed light on how understanding the category of the woman you're dealing with makes it easy for you to understand her. Women in the same category have almost the same emotional needs. You become very valuable to a woman when you understand her emotional needs. She'll want to have you because you feel some part of her. Now, this knowledge can easily be used to manipulate women, but my intention is to help you understand women better and give you a guide on where you can start your game that will give it a solid foundation. Now, you'll find a good number of strategies in the ebook that will facilitate different types and levels of relationships that you forge online with women. You'll be sleek whether you're looking for hookups or whether you're looking for women that can commit to a longer term relationship. The mastery is in the repetition of the little things that people overlook because they seem obvious or they seem impossible. You will become unstoppable in your dating adventures right now. Get to know what the best are doing and inspire the great potential within you. It's not impossible if others are doing it. So click on the link in the description below, or if you're on the same page, just scroll all the way down and you'll see the buy button and get your copy of the Online Dating Strategies book right now. Now guys, thank you so much for watching. Today you were joined by Ian Myles, and I'll see you next time.